Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and start to do something a little different today. We want to go ahead and start working on a box here. Just gonna be recreating a box. You got some soundstream speakers in there, some soundstream tarantulas that what I'm gonna wind up doing is recreating this box. It has some water damage that happened to the box, so the edges of the bottom end of the box wasn't really sealed properly. Let me see if I can get this. Anyways, so I'm gonna be recreating the box using 5/8 plywood. These are project boards that I get from Home Depot. So what I'm gonna wind up doing is just go ahead and taking measurements of the box, the existing box, and start cutting them out in the wood. All right, so I'm pretty much finished with the box. What I'm going to do now for the lid, I'm going to go ahead and run some T-nuts on the inside, which is this is the inside of the face. What I'm going to do is I got these T-nuts here. So I'm going to insert these T-nuts. Let me get a focus view of that. Yep, and drill a hole, tap these in, and those will be the solid foundation for the speaker to be mounted on. So I'm going to go ahead and insert them all around, pre-fit the speakers, put the T-nuts behind it, and that will be the mounting areas for the speakers. All right, so I finished sanding everything. Looking good, nice and even all around. What I'm going to go ahead and do now is set up the fiberglass, which I have here. I'm going to do some tacks with some spray adhesive in the corners and around the edges so I could keep it nice and flat. And I'm going to go ahead and mix up some epoxy and coat the box. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're just about done with this project. Finished all the epoxy work already. Looking nice and smooth. All the edges are nice and rounded. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and pick up some 220 sandpaper on the DA, and I'm gonna go ahead and knock down these edges. Let's go ahead and set up the DA for this and start to sand down this box.